I'm going to show you how you can easily link Monopoly Go to Sticker Go. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device and search for Sticker Go. This app will help you connect your Monopoly Go game with sticker features. Next, tap on Install to download the app. Once it's installed, open the app to get started. Then tap on Continue to move forward in the setup process. After that, tap on Let's Start to begin using the app. Now tap on Allow when prompted to grant the app access to your device. This step is important for the app to function properly. After that, tap on I have an account to log in. Enter your username or email and password to access your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, you can also register by tapping the appropriate option and entering your email. Once logged in, tap on Retrieve Account. Here, you will find the option to link your Monopoly Go user ID. Now go back and open Monopoly Go on your device. In the game, tap on Friends located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on Invite and select Invite again. This will generate an invitation link for your friends. Now tap on Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. Next, return to the Sticker Go app and paste the link you copied into the designated field. Finally, tap on Save Data to complete the linking process. Now, as you can see, your Monopoly Go account is successfully linked to Sticker Go.